To be clear, what Ngāi Tahu wants and is capable of delivering is to partner in resource management decisions for our takiwa.
E tuku ana Te Rūnanga o Ngāi Tahu I te tāpaetanga mō ngā pire hou no te Resource Management Act.
A legislative framework that reduces treaty partnership to advisory functions or compartmentalised clauses departs from that architecture and would look to inadvertently create contemporary treaty breaches by weakening what settlement sought to embed, therefore reducing and removing barriers to Ngāi Tahu associations and kaitiaki duties. Proposed approach treats Ngāi Tahu as a bolt-on without agreement.
E haere tonu ana ngā tāpaetanga ki te whare pāremata, ko Te Rūnanga o Ngāi Tahu tērā te kaitiaki o te iwa te kaupai heneti o Te Waipounamu me tā rātou ā-wangawanga ki ngā panonitanga. Ahakoa e tautoko ana te kaunihera taiao ki Waitaha ki ngā pire hou, heoi ko tā Megan McKay, ko te implementation te tahi o ngā ā-wangawanga.
Be future-proof, the resource management system must uphold te tiriti and partnership with mana whenua.
Implementation is really where the reform is either going to succeed or stall. And from an implementation perspective, right now the biggest challenge is the amount of change and the amount of reform that's happening all at once. So the way the system's set up at the moment, the time frame, is that spatial planning is going to occur quickly and it has to be notified. A plan of what goes where has to be notified by the end of next year.
Ko te pātaka o Rākai Hautu, te rohe pōti mā Craig Pauling, me tāna whakatūpato kei māruru ngā wāhi tapu.
And these are things that people probably don't know, but they're things like ecological sites, really important ecological sites, heritage sites, Māori sites and the relationship between Māori and those places, wāhi tapu, wāhi taonga, significant natural landscapes, significant natural areas, so some of our maunga, ā-waha, etc. So those things are guaranteed to be protected in Part 2 of the RMA. Well, they're gone. And so that's a real key concern for me because they're like a backstop for those things.
Ka haere tonu ngā tāpaetanga ā-waha tainua ki te mutunga o te ēnei wiki. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.